Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple batch file which swaps over the mouse buttons. So for example, when I press the left click, it will bring down the right click drop down menu. When I right click, it will do that. Okay? Or just whatever, drag over. Okay, we're going to make a new text document, so go to new text document. Name it whatever you like. Oh shit. Rename? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to name this one to Explicoit. Okay, when I open this, so the main coding is run DLL 32 user 32 and space swap comma swap mouse button. Okay, might want to add an echo off, so it's at echo off. Right, save that with Control S or whatever you want to use, and go to Save As, and change the text to BAT. That's for batch file. Save. Okay, you'll notice the Explicoit batch there. Okay, we'll close this, and we'll run the batch file. Okay, that's not quite worked. I think I've coded that wrong. It's button. Yeah. There we go. Ah, perfect. There we go. So it's run DLL 32 space user 32 space comma swap mouse button. Okay. Thank you for watching Explicoit's batch tutorial number 1.